Hello, and happy Friday. As you can tell, I was having a little bit of trouble getting my lawnmower working this afternoon when I was trying to mow the lawn, and cold started it, checked the fluids, checked the gas, checked the filter, couldn't figure out what was going on, so I ended up adding a little bit extra oil, as you can tell here, just to top things off, see if that might have been the issue. Pull started, nothing. I was unfortunately not able to get it to work. So, let it sit for a while, came back, looked at it again, and realized my gas tank was about half full, and I'm not used to a gas tank with a side intake for the fluid, or for the gas, and dummy me looked at it better and noticed that the fluid was below the intake. I did check the gas tank. There was fluid in there, and it was probably about half full, but for some reason just the intake for the fuel line is below that. So out of all the issues I thought it may have been, it unfortunately was just there wasn't enough gas in the tank. Genius me. Either way, got things filled up, got things running. Finally got the yard mowed later that next day, and yeah, there we go. So hopefully you enjoy our weekend vlog. There's a couple clips from Friday. Then we joined the Saturday and Sunday that are 2 full days of soccer. And yeah, enjoy. Hey, good morning. Saturday morning here. Up and out of the house early. Hit up Walmart real quick to get some snacks and food and drinks and stuff like that because we have 2 full days of soccer this weekend all the way over in Scottsdale. So let's go.
Get ready, Caroline!
Go, go! Run, Caroline!
Sunday morning here today, day 2 of soccer. Up and out of the house early again. Had to grab ice, water, Gatorade. Stop and pick up some stuff for my wife for her store. And of course, had to hit up QT as always. Grab myself a drink. Girls won both sets of games yesterday. And they have a 3rd game this morning. And if they play well this morning, depending upon how they're ranked in the bracket, they'll get to play in the finals this afternoon. So we'll see how it goes.